Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join us here on our YouTube channel. But as you guys can see from the description, I'm super excited. We have our December BoxyLuxe. I am super excited. I did not get it back in September. I kind of figured there was going to be some chaos, and there was. So I didn't even bother. I just went on the wait list afterwards, and here it is. So I am ready to dive in and see. It is substantially larger than the normal BoxyCharm. So I am ready to dive in here and see what it is all about. All right, so we open it. This is what it looks like. It has a really big card, and then this is what we see. So let's take a look at the card. I know there were actually some variations on BoxyLuxe, so it looks like I have variation number 2, and let's see. 'Tis the Sea Sun is the theme, so that's actually cute. So we are gonna just take a look in here. We'll reference this when we need to. Big card. So the very first thing I see is this, and I know this was actually an item we could customize. So I am super excited to actually see this. This is a mini hair straightener from PYT. It is a $75 value, so that more than pays for the box. If you are not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-sized beauty products, and it's $21 a month. Every 3 months, they do now have BoxyLuxe. You can upgrade your subscription, and that third month, they will charge you an additional $28.99, so $49.99 total for BoxyLuxe. But BoxyLuxe is supposed to be over a $300 value, so that is super awesome. But they did let us choose one item. We could pick between a palette or the straightener, and because I did know, a spoiler, that there was already a palette in the box, I went with a straightener. So let's see, it says PYT, it's a girl's world. So let's see. I like that it comes in this case, and it feels like this would be great, even like if it was hot, you could still put it in here. But I think travel purpose wise, this is super fantastic. Oh, I got like a lavender color. It's so pretty. It is very tiny, but it is like super cute. So I think, you know, I mean, it may take a while, but I think for travel purposes, like I said, this just feels very, very nice. This obviously will not take up as much space as like my cheese straightener that, you know, the full size. So I liked it for that reason. So there was our first item. So I'm already, yay, and it's already paid for the box. So let's see, what are you? This is by Spongel. This is the body wash infused buffer. I love Spongel. I've gotten them in FabFitFun before. And this Blossom Bliss. These you can use multiple times, and what I love is it's already got the body wash in it, but because it is a buffer, it helps to exfoliate at the same time. Oh, that smells really good. And I like that it's a star shape. These are usually somewhere between 15, 20, 16, something like that. Let's see, what's this one say? $20. So I am happy for that. And then let's see, we've got a lot of styrofoam in here. We have here from Wander Beauty, a Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. And this is a $26 value. So here it is out of the box. It's cute packaging. There is the plastic. It does have a nice size mirror. Oh, these colors are pretty, y'all. I'm going to show you upside down so I don't blind you with the mirror. But here's the highlight. City Lights. This blush here is called Havana Nights. And then Tuscan Sunrise for this other one. This would be my go-to. That is a very, very pretty blush color, especially during the fall and winter. Well, we're into winter now, so I'm very happy with that. And then here we have a clutch. What does this say? Oh, what the Wander, I don't know if I said $26 for the Wander Beauty palette. And then this is the Crimes of Beauty wristlet, $22. It says Glam AF. And inside, this is actually pretty exciting. This is, right, it's actually got to like separate little, it's got a divider in there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see right here. So, but it does have this. This I am interested to try. This is from, it says Crimes of Beauty. I don't know if that's like the actual brand or just, all right, now I'm confused. How does this, okay, so obviously it's a USB, so you can plug it in here and fully charge it. But what I'm trying to figure out is, oh, okay, here we go. Because it said it would work for an Android or iPhone. I have an iPhone, so obviously this is the Android, but right here it looks like there is a converter, so it would work for either. So that is really awesome. So I'm excited for this. If I can get it back in there. Okay, so that's really cool. Put that back in the clutch. And then the next product I see is the Anti-Aging Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for fine lines and wrinkles, firms, smooths, and hydrates. So I am excited about this. Elemis. $89, y'all. $89. Oh my gosh. No sample sizes here. So here it is out of the package. You can see it is very, very nice. It does have a safety seal. And you can see there's quite a bit here, so it is full. It smells nice. It smells fresh and not overly scented. So I am excited for that. And there's lots of stuff in here. This, oh, okay. Where is it at? This is the Luxie Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. This is a $65 value. You can see here we have all of the brushes. That's neat packaging. Ooh. I was opening it because I was intrigued by this, because this, I almost thought I had a brush missing. Okay, so you do it like this. And this is a lip brush. But you can, we clearly have like a, let's see, does it tell us? Huh, round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and then the lip brush, which is this one. So that is super exciting. They smell quite strong. So I love Luxie brushes, so I'm super happy with that. Oh, there's two little things in here. What are you? This is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Glitter lip paint. This is a $20 value. Let's see. Strike Gold. Ooh, this is pretty. Let's see. So it's a lip gloss. And it is very sparkly. I love Tarte. Tarte is my favorite. So it feels nice. And it is shiny. Where my lips were matte before, they're not now. So yay for Tarte. And then we have from Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. Lorac Pro Pomade Mascara. This is a $24 value. And it's a big mascara. Oh, wow. Okay. That's an interesting brush. So I'm excited for that. I love mascaras. Love getting them. All right. And then it looks like our final product, I knew about this, so I'm super excited to see. This is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. It has 20 shades, and this is a $45 value. So this box is definitely worth the $49.99. It's the Holy Grail palette. So let's get it out and take a look. If I can. Oh my gosh. Like it does not want to come out. There we go. Whew. It's like inside of a box inside the box. So here is the actual palette. Super cute. All right, so we've got our plastic there. Okay. Y'all, these colors are gorgeous. It has got a big, huge mirror here. I'm gonna kind of show you the colors upside down so that you actually can see them and not be blinded. Y'all, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with these. Thanks a latte. I love my coffee, so I love that. Teddy bear brownie points, so jelly. Hashtag. Oh, I love the name of the colors too. And there's quite a few like shimmer shades and mattes, so it's a great mix. So I am super excited about this palette. You guys, this BoxyLuxe blew me away. So it is absolutely, without a doubt, in my opinion, worth the additional $28.99 every 3 months. Because I mean, we got a straightener, we got the eyeshadow palette, we got the blush palette from Wander Beauty, the Luxie brushes, the Elemis, the Lorac mascara, the Clutch the spun gel. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff. So I am super, super excited. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Did you get BoxyLuxe? Was your variation any different? I'm not exactly, I know that you obviously, like I said, could choose between the straightener and there was another palette. And I think the Tarte gloss could have been a different color, and maybe the mascara. So let me know what you guys got if you got BoxyLuxe. Let me know what you thought of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave all the information down below if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm. Like I said, normally every month it is $21. You receive, they say 4 to 5, but it's always been 5 products, full size, and the value is over $100. And then, like I said, every 3 months or every 3rd month is the option to upgrade to BoxyLuxe for an additional $28.99. So the link will be below. Let me know again what you thought. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and until the next video,